Welcome everyone to another episode of Finance on Your Terms. As you can see, Danny and I are in a different location than we were the last few episodes. There's a couple reasons for that. Primarily, my height. I'd like to point out at this point that I may be, allegedly, a little bit shorter than Daniel over here to my right. And the way the TV was set up in the other room, it was a little awkward, so we decided to go back to the original Finance on Your Terms setup, and I must say it is dead sexy. I love it.
It looks good.
It looks great. So welcome back for another episode. Again, we're trying to give you as many tips and tricks as quickly as possible in these videos. And this month's theme is going to be spring cleaning and summer break.
You got it.
I almost messed that up. So spring cleaning and summer break. So the first thing that we want to talk about today involves vacations.
Yes, vacations and how you save, how you spend for vacations. Now, a lot of us are going on trips. It's one of our favorite times of the year. Summer comes, summer break comes, maybe spring break. It's already come and gone, but it's a good time to get away, relax, decompress from the work schedule, decompress from all of the winter that never ended this year.
Still hasn't. Who knows?
And there's a shot that you maybe, instead of going and spending funds that you have, deciding to go into a little bit of debt.
And that's where the problem occurs. A lot of times we know we don't want you to not have fun. Vacations are an important part of family bonding, of stress relief, whatever it may be. But here's the issue. If you're constantly going in debt to go on those vacations, that can dig you into a hole, and it's a hole you can never get out of. So what we want you to do is maybe throughout the year, if you're planning on going on a vacation or two, let's find a way to help you plan for that better throughout the year. A few bucks here or there, $50 a month, and you've got that saved up so that you don't have to put it on your credit card when you go on that vacation.
That's perfect. Yeah, save the money ahead of time. Don't pay interest on the debt that you incur because you're going on vacation. Have a great time, and know when you come back, you don't have to pay anything off.
Yeah, and you're not digging into your emergency fund either. So if additional crazy expenses come up, you're not hurting those or impacting those as well. So again, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Financing Your Terms with Mike and Danny. We'll see you next week.
Thanks, guys.